Today we are going to see about the interesting topic tourism. We all have an excitement to hear the word tourism. We move on to we move on to the lesson. Tourism. Tourist. The word tourist was derived from an olden not more than 1 year and also not less than 24 hours. It may be the purpose of anything religious visit, business trip, entertainment trip, etc. etc. It was like a small trip. Simply, it was called as a small trip. Then, basic components of tourism. There was some basic components. Tourism has become the most important source in all over the country, not only in India, in all over the country. Tourism was the most important source. Simply, it is an essential part of everyone's life. It becomes tourism becomes the essential part of everyone's life because it had an international relationship. Tourism had an international relationship on society, cultural, education, and also the economic sector. It have a three main components. It have a three main components. Those things are attraction, accessibility, amenities. These three are together to known as a A3 concept: attraction, accessibilities, amenities. And then first thing, attraction. It contains two types: natural attraction, cultural attraction. Natural attraction, in the sense, it is based on landmarks. Natural attraction contains landscape, seascape, beaches, climatic conditions, and forest. These are all known as the main tourist place in everywhere. And then cultural attraction. Cultural attraction is based on historical monuments. Mainly, it refers to the historical monuments, and also it includes fairs and festivals. For example, Tanchur. Tanchur is one of the example for cultural attraction. And then accessibility, ability to reach proper destination. In the sense, the way of traveling should be in a proper way, such as road, rail, water, and air. While traveling, the proper transport facility, there should be a proper transport facility. Transportation will help us to consume our time. And then amenities, in the sense, proper facilities. Mm, while we are moving to a trip, there 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 we should have a proper facilities for staying and proper facility to mm, seek the every places. Those kinds, we need a proper facilities. So gathering the tourist with the proper facilities, proper accommodations. We need a proper accommodations in hotels, restaurants, cafes, and some other staying place. In everywhere, in every staying place, we need a proper accommodations. This is the one of the important facilities. And proper guidance. We need proper guidance while we moving to one place to another. We need a proper guidance, then only we have to catch the every we have we able to catch the every places. So proper guidances with travel organizers, travel operators, and travel agents. Those persons are need to help us without any problem. For getting passport, visa, and foreign exchange centers should make every facilities. While we are moving to one country to another country for a tourism purpose, we need to get a passport, visa without getting any problem. We have to get it. And then safety, they have to provide us for a proper safety measures and health issues. Without any health issues, they have to take care of us. And then types of tourism. There is the types of tourism from ancient be defined by nature, utility, time, distance. These four of these are the main purpose to divided the following of uh, tourism types. There is six tourism types: religious tourism, cultural tourism, historical tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, and recreational tourism. First one, religious religious tourism. Religious tourism, in the sense, it is the oldest type of tourism. It is the oldest type of tourism. In this type, people will travel individually, or otherwise the people will gather together. A group of people will travel for any temples, church, based on some other religious places. Those are called a religious tourism. For example for religious tours for Hindu people will move on to the Kasi. It was one of the religious tourism for Hindus. And then Christian people will move on to the Jerusalem. It was one of the religious tourism for a religious tour for Christianities. And then Muslims will move on to the Mecca. It was one of the religious tour for Muslims. And then next one, historical tourism. This kind of trip was based on historical visit, in the sense of famous monuments, famous historical monuments, museums, archaeological areas. Likewise, for example, visit of Taj Mahal is one of the historical trip, and also the visit of Taj Mahal is one of the um, kind is called a this kind of trip is called as natural visit, based on our surrounding. It was in this type, it was a destination of where the plants and animals presented in natural. For example, some of the famous ecotourism places are Amazon forest, African forest in Safaria, and also it contains Himalayan places. And then we move on to the adventure tourism. It is based on our physical activities. One who had a physical strength, we move on to the adventure tourism. For example, in Dave film, we all watch Dave film. For that movie, Karti's aim was to achieve a highest peak in Himalaya. Those is kind of a adventure tourism. This type of tourism involves to travel like a remote areas. Those are called the remote areas. Another an example, bungee jumping is also the one of the adventure tourism. And then finally, recreational tourism. It was simply called as enjoyment tour. It was full of fun activities. It contains full of fun activities. For some example for recreational tourism spots are waterfalls, beach, hill station, parks, etc. We move on with the we move on with our enjoyment purpose is called as the recreational tourism. And then apart from those six types, there are some modern tourisms. Annual holiday tourism in the sense, we have a annual holidays. Those time we have a small trip called annual holiday tourism. And then industrial tourism, seasonal tourism, international tourism, group tourism, sports tourism, health tourism, farm and rural tourism. Those kind are the some of the modern recent period of modern tourisms. Thank you. For homework, explain about accessibilities and amenity. And in second question, write a short note on ecosystem and historical tourism.